Hi all, welcome to Digital Rakesh channel. So today we discuss topic about the SEO, how we can promoting and how to get the traffic from Google. So I'm selecting this website, naranmapbengaluru.com. So in this website, I have to promoting courses. So each course people will be searching in Google. Suppose I have to generate in traffic where? From Google option. When I'm clicking here, Digital CCTV training course in Bangalore. When click this option, our website will be top one position. Some people will be searching for training in Bangalore. So we can check from our website will be top position. So some people will be search from course in Bangalore. So the showing for will be here. First of all, what are the location you will be target? There's a compulsory important you will be targeted by your website. So that will be compulsory important. So I'm removed by the in. Now check. The website will be here. Located nearby Bangalore. The website will be showing this option. So in this particular keywords, we'll be promoting Google purpose. Any kind of will be static at any website. The keywords are important. Suppose I can promoting multiple locations. That is we can selecting for blog option. First of all, prepare the content for each course like online training, offline training. What are the options are here? This we can promoting through Google itself. First of all, we can creating for one dynamic admin panel. This admin panel mainly used for to write a keywords without using developer and cPanel access. No need cPanel. Just you can admin and write in the code. So how do we can design the admin panel? First title is the creating for URL structure and description part. If you have your YouTube URL, add the YouTube URL. Next, proper SEO title, description and keywords. So right now, I can go to the one content, which is I'm selecting for one particular course, online training. Copy the option, paste here. First of all, I'm creating for URL structure. My URL structure will be plumbing online training course will be here. Same will be in your using for description. Here, online training course nearby me, located nearby me. So in this one, we can add your options. Add your particular keywords. And next one, we can add your image in this. So where, and remember guys, when adding image time, what is your title exactly? Same image name also same, we can use the particular option. So if we want forget the image name, that is a very, very important alt tag. So what is the URL structure will be create? That is a build from the keywords. Not only for this one. Suppose simple, accept this website. Digital marketing company in Madhapur. Suppose some people will be searching this option. You can see this one, URL listing. I'm selecting for JustJet. So I'll just see this. Digital market services in Madhapur. So what are the structure is compulsory important. Company relevant, services, agency, anything you can select. Now select here, this one. Digital marketing companies in Madhapur. So if I'm searching Madhapur, they're showing Hyderabad, not like that. Now here, I'm searching for Bangalore. So when searching for Bangalore, compulsory URL structure will be changed. Best digital marketing agencies in Bangalore. So digital marketing agency in Bangalore, we can creating the proper URL structure. That is important. Any keyword building, that first of all, the URL will be generated will be SEO friendly. That is the most important. So not only this website, anyone we can selecting for any course. So see this one, Revit MEP training course in Bangalore. So this will be happening for any people will be searching in Google, where into this keyword will be searching in Google. Our website will be showing to the top 10 position. So always top one, that will be click the links will be happen. What am I showing will be keywords are here. So training. So suppose online training. So you can check it online training. Here also providing for online training. They open a website. How it is happening based on your writing for skills of title and here option. If you're providing online training particular states, provide the online training. If you offline training, provide the offline training. So these are the compass important. This OG title is mainly focused by the social media purpose. OG title will be mainly social media. When sharing with the social media, they will be displayed by the particular social media. Like when it will be click here, the link will be visible to the users. When log in Facebook, they show the particular option. There's nothing login here. I'll show here. Click this option. The OG title is more important. Proper title description. What are we can using title? Same will be using for OG title also. This is very, very important. User can understanding social media purpose, not only Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, except Instagram. These are options compulsory you have to follow on the particular sharing on the social media purpose. So guys, what are the keywords you will be prepared? First of all, prepare here. So providing leading in this, here only option name is called online training. This is a complete online training for particular option. So this will be copy this option. I'm updating website. So keywords are most important. What is the first keyword? You can use it. Next one, same keyword, what we can using title, same your structure. Image name also very important. What is the main purpose is called? Here, small change. When people will be clicking Google, what is the main for image tag purpose? The image will be shown to the particular will be Google search list. So previous I'm posting for Bangalore. Now I'm promoting for online training. So they will be show where Google image search list. So that will be using for Pinterest, will be promoting for that particular keyword. So we have to promote any website from Google traffic. Image will be useful and your structure will be very useful. SEO friendly title important for any user will be creating for content that is the most affected by getting traffic from Google. So that is a and very important thing is called the structure of creating for title and description. Title should be each title will be given by the pipe symbol. Description using will comma. Keyword will using will be comma option. And image will be using the proper here. Next thing is called every page we have to use H1 tag. What we can using the headings. Less than 3 H1 tag compulsory we can use. One open and close, not for that is account is 1. Same like less than 3 we can use H1 tags. This compass important. Next will be alt tag. If you're not there alt tag, we can write compulsory alt tag will be important. So these are the steps we can compulsory follow by the your particular website. So any particular query, any particular option will be missing, we can add your particular website. H1 tag, alt tag, your proper your structure and proper SEO title description keyword that are most affected by your website getting traffic from the Google. And second thing is called, these are the first task. Second task will be called, once you submit this link, where is the submit link will be here. Link was submitted by here. Copy this URL. Immediately we can go to the search console and Where is your website? Select it. After submit this URL, the immediate task will be happening for one is called sitemap will be update. Second thing will be URL inspection will be compulsory. You have to work on it. That will be very affected by the your particular traffic will be indexing purpose and getting traffic purpose also. So these are the points compulsory. Keep it in mind to work on indexing for your website URLs. So without index, they can't generating traffic. You are all updating website. That how we can reaching for Google. That is a compass. We can give the SEO off page backlink compass important. Before that, that is a mainly important is called Google Search Console submit by the URL inspection option. That will be select here steps. First enter the URL inspection option. They say URL is not in Google. They give information. This all information give the after indexing. First request index. These steps will be done by within 1 to 2 minutes time. Once will be finished, click for the text live URL. When do this time, don't click any button here in the mouse click. This will be disturbed by 1 second. You have to click the 1 second for request index. When you do this time, we can go with other tasks also we can do parallelly. So this will be once done. They show index request will be done. Go with the text live URL. So guys, all that I'm saying this time, so many times, URL structure is more important to index the URL to Google understanding for your particular keyword option. Suppose you're not submitting the proper URL structure, they can't update your website on the Google Search Console. Major thing is called URL inspection, and the share link will be multiple website to getting for referral traffic. They're more affected by the organic traffic, and keyword will be indexed based on the clicks. The clicks will be show the first position on Google and getting results from your business. Without your keyword will not optimize Google, the lead generation will be very competitive, will be very important. Based on competitor, select the keyword and upload the content your website and getting traffic from Google and increase your business leads. First thing, the keyword selection, your structure and image optimization, H1 tag, and you can use a proper image will be alt tag, SEO title, description and a keyword. Title will be should less than 70 characters. Description will be writing for up to 300, but display will up to 160 characters. Keyword will writing for 200 characters or 25 words. That depend on your particular posting option. Use a proper keyword on the particular description. Keyword we can using for keyword option. This is the method will be follow posting time after indexing, after getting traffic from your website based on the submitting social media and your particular other website. So writing skills more important, SEO on page. After we can do SEO off page and social media. If interested from paid ads also, we can do for paid ads option also. So this is the option we can go with on the particular promotion time. If any particular query, you can contact my channel. I definitely will be support you. So your inspection little time will be take here. Once it finish, they show your option. So wait for the some seconds. So these steps will be finished within a time of period. So any particular queries are required, you can ask me to my channel. I definitely will be support you. Don't forget to subscribe channel, share, like and comment any further questions are required. Thank you. Thank you very much.